Sensor Insights is an IoT solution created to deploy and manage complex IoT infrastructure, including sensors, gateways, and connectivity across multiple IoT protocols such as LoRaWAN, Bluetooth Low Energy, and IO-Link, which will be coming in the future. The Sensor Insights portal lets customers visualize the end-to-end IoT infrastructure in near real time, including sensors, gateways, and the connectivity between the different devices. It provides features to monitor and manage aspects of the IoT infrastructure, such as battery lifecycle, device software updates, connectivity experience, and the overall IoT infrastructure health. Let's take a tour of the Sensor Insights portal. On the dashboard, you will see 3 widgets: critical alerts, gateways, and sensors. On the Gateways widget, you can see those devices that are online or offline in a certain condition, gateways of interest, and their cause, including low signal strength. You can access the Gateways page by clicking on the link at the bottom right. The Sensors widget will display the same information as with the Gateways. You can also go to the Sensors page by clicking on the link at the bottom right. The Critical Alerts widget will display those alerts that were triggered by preset rules, including the date and time, as well as the name of the device. If we click on an alert, it will bring us to the sensor details page of the device on which the alert was triggered. At the top right of the page, you will notice a Critical Alerts notification. If we click on the alert notification, it will bring us to the Alerts section. Here, we can gather more detailed information about the alert. At the top right of the page, next to the profile icon, you will see several links to various platforms, including My Business, Open Development, and ThingSpace Manage. Now, let's take a look at the Devices page by accessing the link in the navigation bar to the left. The Devices page will display gateways and sensors that are separated with tabs at the top. Here you can view specific information about the device, including the name of the device, its health score, location, and the status of the device, whether online or offline. By clicking on a device name, in this case a gateway device, you will be brought to the Gateway Details page. On this page, you will be able to see detailed information, including the IMEI, manufacturer, and model. Other information includes network status, network availability history, and special details if relevant to the device. Finally, you can see both device and the network experience and how it relates to connectivity. Let's say we are trying to troubleshoot a device connectivity issue, and we would like to rule out all possibilities. First, let's check the network. On the network experience graph, as we scroll through the specified time frame, we can see that there were no network-related issues. So, at this point, we can rule out the network as a possible cause. Let's move over to the device experience graph. As we scroll from left to right, we can see that there are times when the device experience drops. We can take this new information and troubleshoot the device further. Now, let's take a look at the Sensors page by clicking on the tab at the top. Similar information to the Gateways page will be displayed. To add a new sensor, click on the Add Sensor button at the top right. You can add individual sensors by entering the information in the required fields. Or you could perform a bulk upload by utilizing the downloadable template available here. Finally, click to submit. Back on the Sensors landing page, you are also able to view any sensors pending configuration and deletion. Click on a sensor name to view its details. Similar information from the Gateway Details page will be displayed here. Graphical data includes humidity, signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR, temperature, low battery, and tamper detected. Please note, some of these options will depend on the device. You can also view if there are any alerts, gateways, or rules associated with the device. Lastly, at the bottom, you can view the sensor's history, battery level if relevant to the device, and the Receive Signal Strength Indicator, or RSSI. Let's head on over to the Alerts page. Here, you can view alerts that were triggered on all devices based on predefined rule conditions. You can view alert details such as the device with which the alert is associated, its location, severity level, time of the alert, and status. You can click on the device name to go to its details page. Let's click on the one that has a severity level of critical. Click on the critical alerts notification at the top right to go to the alert section of the sensor details page. Let's take a look at the rules page and see how to create a rule that will trigger an alert. Click on the configurations link in the navigation bar to the left. Click Rules. On the Rules landing page, you will see all rules created along with conditions under the profile. To create a new rule, click on the Create Rule button at the top right. Complete all of the information for your rule, then click Next. You are then presented with a rule summary page. Please ensure that all of your input parameters are correct. You have the option to escalate an alert's severity level and send a notification to another group after a certain time has passed once the alert was triggered. Back on the rules landing page, under Actions for a specific alert, you can enable, disable, delete, or edit the rule. Let's jump on over to the network page. You will see 5 advanced services available to you in the portal. Intelligence, a suite of integrated services to manage IoT deployments and lifecycle. Diagnostics, giving you the ability to diagnose your device and the network connection health by showing you how the Verizon network sees your devices. SimSecure binds a SIM to your device, preventing any malicious activity such as moving the SIM to an unauthorized device. With location, you can easily track your device's location and create geofences around them. Finally, wireless network performance will offer you deeper insights into your Verizon network device data. Let's navigate to our final page, Configurations. On the Configurations page, you have several options. Create user groups for rule and alert management. Rules, which we showcased earlier in the video. Software will provide the running software and its version on your IoT devices. It will also notify you when new firmware updates are available, giving you the ability to create your own campaigns and deliver over-the-air updates to your devices. Geofencing gives you the ability around your device or devices to create a perimeter, triggering an alert when breached.